Hello everyone. Welcome back to the chapter Lines and Angles. In period 23, we have seen the introduction, definition, details, and parts related to angles. In this period, let us go through the exercise 6.1. First question, line AB and CD intersect at O. And we are also given that angle AOC plus angle BOE. Let us see what are the angles. AOC, let us name it as A. Angle BOE, let us name it as angle B. Together is 70 degree. And angle BOD is 40 degree. BOD is given to you here, which is 40 degree. Now the question is to find angle BOA separately. What is angle B? Now in between there is an angle missing. Let us name this as angle C, and the last one is angle D. We know that AOB is a straight line. So we can see that A plus C plus angle B altogether is 180 degree because that is on a straight line. Now you know that angle A plus angle B is 70 degree. So I'm going to rewrite 70 plus C is missing. So C is equal to 180 degree. So we'll get the answer. C is equal to 180 minus 70, which is 110 degree. So here we can write, this is 110 degree. Now let us move on to the question to find angle B. Angle B, C and D are together on another straight line COD. So we can write angle C plus B plus D is forming a straight line. So the angle is 180 degree. C is 110 degree. B is missing. And angle D is 40 degree. Altogether is 180 degree. 110 plus 40 is 50. So 180 minus 150 will be the angle B, which is 30 degree. So angle BOE is 30 degree. So we got the first answer. The second part of the same question is, what is reflex of COE? COE is angle C. So we have to find what is reflex of angle C. Whenever you have to find the reflex, we have to take away from 360. Reflex of C is 360 minus the value of C, which is 110, which is equal to 250 degree. Okay, let's move on to question 2. Line XY and MN intersect at O. Angle POY is 90 degree and A is to B is in the ratio 2:3. You have studied that a ratio 2:3 can be written as a fraction. 2:3 can be written as 2/3. And you know, in a fraction, you can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same quantity. Let us take a variable to be multiplied with the numerator and denominator. So now A represents 2x and B represents 3x. Let us rewrite here 2x and 3x. Now you know that A, B, and 90 altogether is on the line XOY. So 2x plus 3x plus 90 degree altogether is 180 degree. So we get 5x is equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90 degree again. So we can rewrite x is equal to 90 divided by 5, which is 18 degree. Now here the question is to find the angle C. You know that C is on the line MON. And MON is formed by angle B and angle C. So we can rewrite MOB. Now you can see the angle. Now you can see the line MON. We have angle B and angle C together is forming the line MON, which is 3x plus C is equal to 180 degree, because that is also on a line. Now we know that x is 18 degrees, so we replace x by 18 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. Now 3 times 18 is 54, and when you move to the other side it will be 180 degree minus 54 degree. So we get the answer C is equal to 126 degree. Great. Let's move on to question 3. PQR is equal to PRQ. Always we have to represent it on the shape to be more clear. PQR is equal to PRQ. These two angles are equal. Now what we have to show is PQS is equal to PRT. We have to show this exterior angle. PQS is equal to PRT. These two angles are equal. This is what you have to show. At the point Q, this is forming a straight line. So we can write at Q, angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree, because it is forming a line. Also at R, angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree, because that is also forming a line. Now let us name this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Right side of both these equations are 180. So we can say that the left sides are also equal. So LHS of equation 1 is equal to LHS of equation 2. So let us rewrite by just copying all these angles. So angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to PRQ plus angle PRT. Now, let us see the statement given to you. PQR is equal to angle PRQ. These two are equal. Whenever you have two equal numbers on both the sides of the equation, they get cancelled. So what is left with us? PQS is equal to angle PRT. That is what we have to prove, and we proved it. So which means that at a point, at two given points, if two angles are equal, then the other two angles are also equal. Let's move on to question 4. X plus y is equal to y plus z. X plus y is the upper part of AOB, and W plus Z is the lower part of the line AOB. Now we have to prove that AOB is a straight line. So let us see what we have to do. Altogether, the marked shape forms a complete angle. So you know that X plus Y plus W plus Z will form 360 degree, because that is forming a complete angle, or also we learned this is a full turn, complete angle. Now, wherever we have W plus Z, we can replace it by X plus Y, because they are the same. So this is going to be replaced as X plus Y. And we also have an x plus y here. I'm just copying it down, which is equal to 360 degree. Now we have x and x 2x, y and y 2y. So 2 is common. So 2 times x plus y is equal to 360 degree. We have to remove this 2. It is multiplied. It can be divided on both the sides. So this get cancelled and we get the answer x plus y is equal to 360 divided by 2, which is 180 degree. X plus y is 180 degree, which means AOB, which implies or which lets us know that the angle AOB is a straight angle, or AOB is a line. Simple, right? Let's move on to question 5. POQ is a straight line. OR is perpendicular to PQ. The angle is 90 degree. Now prove that ROS, the angle ROS is here, is equal to half of QOS. QOS is the big angle from here, minus POS. So these are the three angles mentioned here. ROS should be rewritten in terms of POS and QOS. So let us see. We know ROQ or QOR, we know angle ROQ is 90 degree. So the other angle ROP is 90 degree. Angle ROP is equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90 degree. But how can you rewrite ROP in terms of ROS? Yes, we can write ROS. We can rewrite ROP as ROS plus angle POS. Together will give you 90 degree. Or we can write angle ROS is equal to 90 degree minus angle POS. So we get an ROS on the left side. Let us try to write ROS in terms of QOS. So we can also rewrite ROS in terms of the angle, red angle marked here, which is QOS, angle QOS minus the 90 degree, the angle 90, which is measured 90 degree. Now let us name this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Let's add these two equations. Why we add these two equations is that we need ROS and we need a number 2. So when you add equation 1 plus equation 2, we will get ROS plus ROS. So it is 2 times angle ROS is equal to 90 degree minus angle POS plus QOS minus 90 degree. Plus 90 degree and minus 90 degree get cancelled. So we have QOS minus POS. So we rewrite 2 angle ROS is equal to, let's write the positive angle first, QOS minus angle POS. This is what we want. Now we want to remove 2 from the left side, so divided by 2 on both the sides. But when you divide, it should be divided for both the angles. So our final answer is angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Great, let's move on to the last question of this exercise. Given that angle XYZ is 64 degree, so we have to draw an angle 64 degree. 64 will be somewhere here, and it is written XYZ. So this is X, and remember the middle letter is Y, so the vertex should be Y, and the other letter is Z. XY is produced, so XY produced means we continue to form a straight line. XY is produced to form a straight line to meet at P. And the next one is YQ bisects ZYP. ZYP is here. Bisect means cut into two parts. So it is equally cut into two parts. So through this we have a line or a ray which is named as YQ. So they said these two are equal. So let us name it as same angles A and A. This angle is 64. These are the given informations. These are the given information. We have to find XYQ, which is the angle marked by the blue color. Now we know that A plus 64, all of it together is on the line XYP, which is equal to 180 degree because it is forming a line. A plus A is 2A is equal to 180 minus 64 is 116 degree. So we have A is equal to 116 divided by 2, which is 58. So each of these angle is 58 degree. So it's easy now. XYQ is equal to 64 plus 58, which is equal to 122 degree. Now we have one more question here. To find the reflex of QYP. QYP. Angle QYP is referred by angle A. So we have to find what is reflex of angle A or reflex of 58 degree. So to find reflex, you know that we have to subtract from 360. So which is equal to 302 degree. That's your answer. That's all for today. Hope the idea is clear and see you next period. Thank you. Bye.